Hello students, today I will be telling you about the importance of projects. I am Mrs. Sushma Barve. I am the owner director of Impetus Consult Trainers. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you one interesting story. There was a gentleman who was working in a bank. He was working at quite senior level. Every day he used to drive his car from his residence to office and come back. One day he met with a small accident and doctor advised him not to drive car for about 3 months. So he started looking for a driver. So he interviewed about 3-4 drivers, out of which he liked one person. So he was about to confirm him. The driver told him that I have a license and I have learned driving, but I have never driven car for somebody. Can you give me training for 1 month? After 1 month, I will drive your car comfortably. Obviously, this was not possible and he didn't get this job. Friends, there is the same situation in IT industry. IT industry is working on zero bench. So the companies want that the candidate should be productive on the day one. There is no provision for training. So how are you going to give confidence to your employer that you have the necessary skill and you can start working from the day one? That is possible only through projects. So first thing is you have to work on projects by deploying all your technical skills. You have to carry those projects at the time of interview and you have to explain them to your employer. This is very, very important. Unless you dirty your hand, you will never get confidence. At Impetus, we give a lot of importance to projects. We encourage our students to develop projects. Secondly, our projects are not repeated. Today, our students have developed more than 200 projects and we have proudly displayed them on the notice board. Our students have done projects on GoAir, MakeMyTrip, Naukri.com, Shaadi.com, eBay, TimesJob, Redbus, and so on. Now I will show you how our students develop projects. So this is the project on Bharat Matrimony. So students decide the scope of the project, they write down the requirement, they take the screenshot and they write down the requirement. Then they, after getting the requirement, confirming the requirement, they write down the test cases. Then they record the defects, like this is the screenshot and this is the defect. This particular entry is accepting any alphabet. So defects are circled, a defect log is prepared, and that is how the students go about it. So they get a very good experience and they are very, very confident when they go out for interviews. As you know that Android is a emerging technology. Today even colleges are encouraging students to develop projects for final year. So let me show you some interesting project developed by our students. This is Mumbai Darshan. So this is the front screen. When you click on the button, it is showing you a lot of options like religious places, beaches, then sightseeing places and malls. If you click on religious places, then you can view certain things, like this is a Siddhivinayak temple, then this is the photo gallery for Siddhivinayak temple. You can start a video, you can start a audio, you can go to the website, you can open YouTube. Okay, so You can send SMS, you can send email. So there are various things students have tried. The project should not be very simple. It should demonstrate all the relevant technologies. We are very strong in .NET projects also. So we will show you some of the .NET projects developed by our students.
Hello friends, I am Poonam Sawant. I am a faculty of .NET. As per our director said, we gives the guidance for developing projects to our students. So let's see some .NET projects which is developed by Impetus students. For example, one of our student, he is from non-IT background and he is a gym instructor. He wants to promote his business, so he came here, did the .NET course and developed his own live website. That is www.buildmoremuscles.in. So you can see here he developed small static and live website which provides information about his products. So he developed 3 pages, that is home, product and contact us, which gives you information about his gym. The second example is our student working on live project for one of the language academy, that is Tendulkar's Language Academy. They developed static project using .NET. See here, look and feel of this website is also good. They designed the feedback form with proper validation. If I click here, then we can see the proper validation message over here. Then about us page gives you information about their academy. Gallery, there are some photos. Third example is our student developed Ashtavinayak Darshan website, which provides you all information about Ashtavinayak, like how to go, how many distance from Pune, route information, temples information and all. So they stores their data in XML file instead of the database, as well as they use email concept in .NET over here. So you can see home page with good look and feel. Then there is a Ballareshwar tab. If I click on Ballareshwar, then there is information about Ballareshwar. If I click how to go, then there is a route information. Then there is a temple information. You can see here. Then there is a route tab which contains distance and route from Pune to Ashtavinayak. If I click on see map, so there is a Google map. I click on that. There is a contact us page with proper validation. Then user can give feedback, complaint as well as suggestion. If I click on read reviews, so this forms data is storing in XML file. If I click on read reviews, this information retrieved from XML file. Then there is a photo gallery. You can see here. So there are many projects developed by our students. If you want to know more details, please send your request to poonam@impetusconsultant.com.